All right, this is a CNC Alert. I found this awesome book at a used bookstore. It's the Treasury of Literature for Children. Just gonna show you what's in here. They've got some really cool stories. Right, let me see here. You've got Rapunzel. You've got the Fox and the Lion. They have Rikki Tikki Tavi. He was my favorite. They also have Winnie the Pooh in here. They also have The Ugly Duckling. They got Aesop's Fables in here as well. So I think this is just a really cool find. And I'm going to read some of these because some of these are new stuff as well. So, yeah, that's my cool find.